And welcome back, everybody. We're back in the garage. The weather's perfect, so it's time to get those projects done. And guess what? It's 2 o'clock. What are you doing right now, 2 o'clock in the morning? Are you being productive? Because I am. You can't see me in this bush, so I got a battery right here in front of me. That's right. If you have a scooter, motorcycle, ATV, any of those small engines, you're going to have to eventually replace the battery. Now, it's different from regular car battery. These things don't come charged. You're going to have to charge them yourself. So, that's what we're going to do today, right now, as I open this box. Now, you might be asking, what's in the box? We got some instructions. Don't need that. Styrofoam. Non-recyclable. But, we got a battery, and we got some acid. And that's all we need. And these are so easy to get charged. All we need to do is remove this top right here. And that's going to show the innards, or where you're going to pour in the acid, which is right here. As it says right here, danger, poisonous. So we're going to play with the poisonous material. And it comes just like this. Sealed container. So again, it says danger on it. So we're going to go ahead and open that bad boy up and take off the top. Do not open. We're going to open this bad boy. But do not open these. These are sealing in the acid for the battery. All we need to do, since you see right here, is there's actually some pointy tips to the actual battery. We're going to put it down right on here. And boom, battery's working. And now that the acid has drained into the battery, we can go ahead and take this out, put that in the box, put the extra box inside the box, trash in the box, trash in the box, non-recyclable styrofoam goes in the box, top in the box, the instruction manual in the box. Seal that bad boy up, and Everlast battery, boom, done. So we're just going to seal this up, put on some cables to charge it up, and there we go. That is how you can charge or assemble. Who assembles a battery? And charge it, and get back on the road. So if you have an ATV, you have a scooter, you have a motorcycle, eventually, you're going to have to get a new battery, and that's how you put it together. So, there we go. Ride safe, drag safe. It's 2 a.m. in the morning, so be safe. Let's joke it up, have some fun.